Nothing moves on your mine site until steel meets rock. That's why it's critical to make sure you have the right buckets and ground-engaging tools on hand whenever you need them. You need a proactive plan to stay on top of bucket and GET supply and replacement. That's a CVA. A CAT Customer Value Agreement is a flexible ownership plan to ensure you always have exactly what you need while keeping costs under control. The right components delivered right on time? That's a CVA. Support and supply for every machine on your fleet? That's a CVA. Flexible options, training for your crew, and predictable costs? That's a CVA too. Your CVA is a tailored solution to meet the needs of your operation. It starts with a GET wear package and goes beyond to a total bucket management solution, includes technical support, removal and installation services, customized payment terms on cost per ton basis, and more. Your outcomes? Predictable costs, increased component life, and guaranteed bucket and GET availability. With any CVA, you get hassle-free ownership and maintenance, the security of dealer support, and peace of mind from equipment health management. A CAT Bucket GET CVA delivers convenience for your team, better performance from your assets, and more confidence in your entire operation. Don't just hope for a low cost per ton and high machine uptime, guarantee it. That's a CVA. Work with your CAT dealer to customize the right CVA for you.